Introducing our new easy measuring and dosing bottle. You'll find the measuring chamber positioned at the top of the bottle creates an efficient measuring device, helping to minimise your contact with the formulation inside. It is important you read all of the instructions before opening or using this product. Please refer to back of pack for safety directions and specific dilution instructions. Here's how to use the new easy measuring and dosing bottle. Firstly, ensure cap is sealed to avoid any product spilling. For a full 40 ml dose, turn the bottle upside down to fill the dosing chamber. When filled, turn the bottle back upright. For smaller quantities, see markings in the side of the chamber. Tilt the bottle back and forth until the dose reaches the desired level. Holding the bottle upright, unscrew the cap by pushing down and turning. Note, when cap is open, the connection between chambers automatically locks and liquid is dispensed only from the dosing chamber. Pour out the dosed amount whilst taking care not to squeeze the bottle. Finally, replace the cap and store upright.